All right, remember we still have a day and 10 hours on the weekly candles to close, and watch your coins. So this is Harmony 1. We're almost already back to the 21 week EMA. So go across all your coins and make sure we're at least close to your 21 week EMA. When by the time all this is said and done in a day and 10 hours from now, right? Tomorrow evening. Dot has some work to do. One is already close, but we need Dot back above, right around 34. Let's just look down the list here. ADA is probably not gonna make it. $1.86. I don't know. That's a tall order. But I mean, ADA tends to not care about the 21 week. I think I've spoken over that before. I mean, it kind of disrespects it a little bit. So not as big a deal for ADA for whatever reason that ADA chooses. We'd still like to close higher. I mean, Matic is not even tested the 21 week yet, so that's insanely bullish. We just did DOT. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum, perfect wick right down to the 21 week, and now we're already back up. Insane. That is great. Let's look at Bitcoin again real quick. We need Bitcoin to really close. Let's get an exact number here. 52. I would say probably about 52-ish in a day and 10 hours. Let's see if we can close somewhere in that. That would be impressive if we did that. But it's only 4K away, right? 4K away from here. I mean, Bitcoin can obviously do that in 34 hours or so. Let's go look at our boy Link. And yeah, we got one weekly candle down under it. And this is another one that is a tall order. And we actually wicked to resistance on the 21 week EMA on Link. So 26.84. I mean, we're at $20 flat now. This is the level I spoke of, I think, yesterday. Look at our support level. Remember this? I put this out for Link. This is kind of where I said. You can go back and look. That's insane. That right as I make this video, we're at the level I talked about yesterday. So yeah, I would look for us to at least hold that and come back up, start working back up again. If by some miracle we get above $27, that would be beyond impressive for Link. But if we don't, we just want to hold this level that we spoke of yesterday. Engine Coin, another one looking pretty overly bullish because way above 21 week EMA. Look at that. VeChain, what do we got for VeChain? Still holding resistance on that 21 week, coming down. We need to get back up. That's still 11, 12 cents ish. Probably need to get above 12 cents to get back above its 21 week. Harmony 1 we just did, looking good. Avalanche, still looking bullish. Coins that are well above, above the 21 week are probably going to do better first, at least in this run, this next move up. That's still showing a lot of strength if your coins are doing that. So AVAX is there. AMP, let's look at AMP. We're close, we're battling. AMP just kind of holds the line, right? No matter what happens. So that could be good or interpreted good or bad, but it's holding up well in this drop, right? So that can't be a bad thing. Let's just hope that if AMP closes back above its 21 week, 5.3 cents, then yeah, we're right there. So unfortunately for AMP, it just needs a push to get going. So watch for that. Crypto.com. Just amazing tear run. Let's see what else we got. Let's see if we can go down the list a little bit more to help y'all out. Litecoin, still under, but this will be the first week since September. Another one of those coins that just doesn't really respect the 21 week, just like ADA. So for whatever reason, maybe the 21 week on ADA and Litecoin don't seem to have any issues on it whatsoever. So we'd still like to close, up a little higher. We'll see 180 or so ish. But you can see like it's just basically long consolidation for Litecoin right now. So how about Shiba? For those of you that have Shiba on the weekly chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row. Not a whole lot of TA you can do on that. There's not even a weekly moving average, so skipping over. Going to Mana, still super bullish. And then let's go look at the total crypto market cap. Look at this. So if there's any news you take away from this that's good, this whole video, this would be it, right? So this is kind of our level of support that we looked at yesterday. These two, the previous all-time high, local top, break through it, come back. If we could somehow get back up here, 2.38 trillion-ish right there, right where this candle closes. This candle closed 2.38 so 2.37. Watch this on the weekly close. At least we'd want to hold the 21 week, which we wicked to back in September. If we do that, great. If we can somehow come up here, that would be super bullish. That would be, now we're entering weekly Dragonfly Doji territory. If we're getting, you know, above 2.4 trillion on a weekly scale for the total crypto market asset class, that would be very bullish. So let's go. How about altcoins? How are they faring? Even better. So Bitcoin's doing worse than most. That's the only difference between those two. One's with Bitcoin, this one's without Bitcoin. So altcoins are doing better than most. And we're not only above the 21 week, we went down and recovered very nicely. So if we could get a close maybe above, you know, 1.4 trillion, that would be probably the best case scenario in my book. But as long as we're closing above that 21 week, A-okay.